Hi, I'm Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 13th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is from the harder set of math questions. It's number 13, and it reads, function f of x equals 1/9 times the quantity x minus 7 squared plus 3 gives the metal ball's height above the ground, f of x, in inches x seconds after it started moving on the track, where x is between 0 and 10. Which of the following is best interpretation of the vertex of the graph y equals f of x in the xy plane? So one thing you want to have an understanding of is vertex form of the parabola. When you're in the form y equals a times the quantity x minus h, quantity squared plus k. H comma k is your vertex. What I want to note here is that, notice it says minus h, but positive h is the x part of the vertex. And then k, which is y part of the vertex, is just outside of the parentheses. So following that same model, here instead of y, we have f of x, it's the same thing. Equals, instead of a, we have 1/9. We've got our x. We've got minus 7, quantity squared, and it's plus 3. Okay, so notice what minus h corresponds with. It's minus 7. So positive 7 is the x part of the vertex. So notice what the k corresponds with, 3. So positive 3 is y part of the vertex. So there's your vertex. It's 7, 3. Now, what does it mean for this particular question? And one thing you want to note that's really easy to point out is that x is your number of seconds. So 7 equals seconds. And that's going to help you to eliminate some answer choices. So here it says 7 inches. That's gone. 7 inches. That's gone. 3 must be inches. Now, another thing to note here is that when you're in the form, vertex form, y equals a times quantity x minus h, quantity squared plus k, the a, right here, I'm circling up top, if that's positive, then the parabola opens up. It's going to look like this. If it's negative, then it's going to open down. And notice what our a is here. It's a positive 9. So it is going to open up like this. So what does that mean? After 7 seconds, what is happening? Notice if we plugged a 7 in here, we'd get 3. And we already said 3 is y part of the vertex. But what does that mean? We got to look to see what the whole function means here. Function f of x equals blah, blah, blah. It gives the metal ball's height. So 7 must be height. And since our parabola is opening up, it's going to have a minimum, not a maximum. And so 3 must be the minimum height there. So check this out. This is when it started moving. That's going to be when x is 0. And that's not going to be its minimum height. We said 7 is seconds, so we got rid of answer choice B and D. But we said that 3 is the minimum height, and the metal ball's minimum height was 3 inches above the ground. Answer choice A is your answer here. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty, who doesn't know vertex form of the parabola, or has difficulty, even if they know it, interpreting what these mean. Here, you've got to see what the function means for the function, basically. And that's going to be your y. If there's any question you'd like to see answers from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss anything. And check out our short videos. When you go to YouTube, it's Ivy Masters Learning Center. It's Test 2 Module 2B, which is a harder set of math questions. And you're going to go to the videos just underneath the longer videos. You're going to have shorter videos that'll explain this much quicker if you don't need as in-depth of an explanation. Have a great day.